Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I filmed a video. I've been gone for a little while. I had surgery. All is well, no worries. And I'm healed. And currently I'm on vacation from work. Now, if I'm ever on a sick leave, which this year has just been a different year for me, but anyway, I do not put content on YouTube while I'm on paid sick leave. So it's just me. It's just something, I'm not comfortable with doing, but I'm no longer on sick leave. I am on vacation, like I said. So today I'm gonna do a little haul with you, okay? It's a Value Village haul and it's basically an unboxing. I purchased a Lodge Dutch oven. Now, I'm retiring 2 of my Dutch ovens. I typically only use the larger one. So anyway, rather than purchasing 2, I purchased 1. I have a very large Lodge Dutch oven that I use sometimes. So anyway, let's start with the Value Village haul, okay? So this cute little cage, I purchased this at Value Village on Sunday. This was $4.99. I love it. I walked by it initially, right? But then I thought this is gonna be perfect with my decor. So I picked it up and you can't go wrong for $4.99. I mean, Value Village prices are not garage sale prices, that's for sure. I've been selling some things online lately. I've had an excess of things and people want garage sale prices on Facebook Marketplace. Though I have managed to sell a couple of things for a good amount of money, I think. And my sales have slowed down. Anyway, so let me know what you think. It is perfect with my decor. Okay, now the next little thing I'm going to show you is this gorgeous brown transferware teapot. I actually purchased this yesterday and it came with a creamer that I did not buy. When I turned over the creamer, it had a chip out of it. You know what? I don't typically use a creamer. I just wanted a teapot. I might sell my other teapot. I have a couple of other teapots and I might sell one of them on Facebook Marketplace. But I just love this. I kind of wish it was blue, but it's not. It's still beautiful though. Now let's take a look on the bottom. It just says, I don't know if you can make it out, made in England. That's all. So it's not a fancy make, but it's very pretty. Okay, so here we have the unboxing of a Lodge cast iron oven. Okay, I could turn it over, it might be easier, but my address and all that is on the other side. So of course I'm opting to do it the difficult way. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's turn it over. That's gorgeous. I love the color. Wow. Perfect size, everybody. Just perfect. Gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful. Here's the product information. It is the Lodge enameled Dutch oven, 6 quart, and the color is sandalwood. And the price was $78.28 plus taxes. And of course, it was 1-day shipping with Amazon, of course. So here's a closer look. It is the perfect size. I'm really happy that I didn't go out and buy 2. I honestly do not have the room for 2, okay? And I don't want to have it just to have it. I want to have it to use. Actually, the one I'm retiring, well, one of the cast iron pans I'm retiring, I actually used yesterday for the last time. I'm on my way out and I'm going to be taking it downstairs to the garbage. Now, I could donate it, but what I'm doing is I've actually taken the handle off of the old one of them. So I guess the larger one will be going in the garbage, and the other one I'll just place downstairs and somebody who wants it can come and take it. I'm very happy with this purchase. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you for watching. Hey everybody, I just thought I would give you an update. So I'm on my way out shortly, and I went to pack the 2 Dutch ovens. I just can't get rid of the small one. I'm going to keep it.